What's up? Welcome back to another episode of B&C Outdoors. Man, it is 6 degrees today. It is so hot. So me and the boys, we're out creek fishing again. Actually, we're river fishing. We've decided to come somewhere we've never been before. It's our local river. It's been really dry for the past 2 weeks, so the river is down low. So that makes it a little more easily waded. So we're out. We're gonna hit this river, see if we can't catch some smallmouth, maybe some spotted Kentucky bass, and anything else that'll give us the time of day. We're gonna get after it. Stick with us. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yes, that's where we're going. Let's go. We'll call it. Oh yeah, it's gonna feel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That cooled me down 10 degrees right there.
I know. I have to get out of the water. I'm going to feel long. You got the tiny space.
Oh! What did I get?
I was about to say, you have the tiny space, so you should be the only one who's casting.
It is a super tiny bait, and this is a. Oh, he spit it. It was a smallmouth. Oh! He was hiding right in that little pocket. All right. Pick you a spot. Golly, this looks great. Pick you a spot to cast in. Cast in different sections, please.
I'm casting over here.
All right. Well, hurry up. Get to it. Make a good cast if you're going to cast. You're going too fast, Colin. You're cranking that so fast, ain't a fish in the world would want to come after that. And here's another thing you got to think about. This water's moving down. So if you're cranking up, the water is making that bait work too, which means you can slow it down even more. Oh yeah, got something. No, it's a fish. Smallie. Little fella. Here you go. It spurred me good. Oh. Do you? Yeah, you do. Told you that little bait. Oh, it got off.
What?
Yep, I saw it though. You had it on there for sure.
What was it?
Oh, Smallie. Oh my God, he got off. What in the world? What's going on here, fellas?
I don't know.
We get one. I did. I heard it start stripping. Yeah. Short. Yeah, look there. Man, they're. Ah, he spit my hook. You gotta be kidding me. How does this happen? That's 3 in a row. Man, they're laying right here in this moving water. And evidently there's a bunch of them right there.
Yeah.
We probably hooked all 3 of them that were there. That's crazy. Do you got one? Oh my God, right on the bank. Oh, spit the hook. Hey now, settle down. Settle down. The only thing I know is we suck at setting the hook. I don't know why, but we must. I knew one was coming up out of there. I knew one was gonna come up out of there. You got him still? You got him? You got him? What is that? Is that a bluegill? Oh no, it's a smallie.
First two.
Get in there, Kyle.
Got 2 of them. I knew I was gonna catch my first one with that bait. You can throw them in. I found it. I was wondering where that truck was.
Got one. I'm all the way out here, honey. Yeah, you can let it go. Woo! There he goes. You do? That's a good one.
catching it. When we catch one, biggest one so far. As big as my fish.
Here, wait.
There
This
you
is
go.
crooked or something.
I got one.
What is that? That's a largemouth.
What's that?
I think, or it could be a spot. Bring it here, let me see. Hey, your rod's underwater, honey. Your whole reel's underwater.
I'm rolling as fast as I could. I think that's the strap
Well,
that I need to be
he certainly
doing.
wanted it.
That's probably what the strap need to be doing.
Spotted bass, here. Little spotted bass. Hey, 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 it's okay. Spotted bass.
Oh, Daddy, you can cast on my side because you only got the middle.
Got one, yep.
Daddy got one. Oh, how really did?
It's a largie,
How really did?
or it's a spot.
How really go?
Yeah, you can let it go,
That's
honey.
the state. That's the state.
It's a state fish. That's right. That's why they call them a Kentucky bass.
Is that a Kentucky bass?
Uh-huh.
It's like a sporty whale.
Kentucky bass spotted gills. They pull the oxygen out of the water. Here's another way. Here, I'll show you something. Both of you. Both of you. Feel of its tongue. Feel that rough thing right there? Okay. Rub it. That's how you know for sure. Largemouth bass, that's a tooth patch. Largemouth bass do not have that tooth patch on their tongue. Kentucky or spotted bass, they have that little rough tooth patch on there.
I want to throw it again.
Yep.
Yeah, this is so weird.
Here, careful, careful.
Oh, darn. There's woods.
There you go.
I just did the split.
No.
I did the split. Remember?
Got one.
I really did. Let me really do. I'm gonna let it go. Hold it. Oh, it's coming at me. Just try.
That is a smallie. All right, don't always the tip.
It's not. It's not.
It's light colored.
I get to throw it.
Here, get this. I know you can in a second. I need to get it off here.
It's too late. You can't.
Ah,
See,
he's
Colin.
gone. There he goes. There goes another one. There's another one.
Hey, if you see any walnuts, grab them suckers. Make sure you don't go under though. I put mine in my back over there. Daddy,
What?
will it hurt me if
Oh,
I
yeah.
go underwater? You only go really in. Oh,
I've already got it in.
I get to let it go. I get to let it go until Billy.
Another little spot, boy. Oh, there he went. He fell off. Right there he goes.
I get to let it until Billy gets them. I mean, Billy.
He's still just going right there.
Daddy,
Obviously.
I think you need to use that if we come back down here. No.
I agree, man.
Yeah.
That's 3 in a row. Oh, another one. Gosh. Smallie.
I'm right here.
He's going to get off, so what's going to happen. And you're going to get hooked in the leg. All right, hand him here.
Billy, you want to let him go since I reeled him in? No. He's already been. Oh.
Careful.
Why does he all bleed when you catch him?
That's because I got stabbed with basically a little needle, that hook there. Hey, 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 watch it. Oh, God. Whew, I about died. I almost died. Oh, got it. Oh. God bless. 2 in a row. And he couldn't make it happen. Ah. Dang it, they're killing me. Yes. Got him. Oh my God, he got off.
How big was it, you think?
I don't know. He was decent.
Is that a 5-incher?
No, about a 10-incher.
Yeah, just go in the water.
They are smashing this thing, but I can't get them on.
It's literally going to be so small.
I can't help it, honey. I got a tackle box in there. I got food in. Oh, yes. God, that was a good jump, baby. Come on, stay on there. Yes, it's Bentley's turn. You reeled the last one in. Come on. Hey, rod up. There you go.
Where's that?
Right there.
Oh my God! Of course she catches something big.
Oh, shoes! Get your shoes! Oh my God! Careful, Kyle. Careful, careful, careful. If you grab that, it will hook you. You need to stop.
I just reeled in the biggest fish of my life.
Hardly. I think you've caught bigger than this.
No, I've never caught a fish this big, that big before. Yo, I get to let it go.
Oh, that's a good one, man.
Woo,
He crushed it too.
That's as big as me, bro. That's as big as my head. Bigger than your head.
Get him? Leave him? Let me look at him. Yeah. I can't even see your eyes right now. Look at the camera. There you go. Good. Oh, that was awesome.
Let's go swimming. Let's swim this love.
God.
What?
The other one just came out there and smashed it. They are eating me alive right now.
I think the love.
God bless. God bless America. Well, buddy, wasn't expecting that to happen. He hit that as soon as it hit the water. Nice little. Catch him, catch him, catch him, Carl. Catch him, Carl. Catch him, baby. Alright, good job. Put him in. Woo, there he went. Got it. Ah, it got off. He keeps coming up and hitting my bait, but I don't hook him. So we saw some action today. We've missed more fish than we've caught, which is crazy. That topwater really started livening up about 4:30 when we was on our way back. I don't know, evening time, hitting these little shady spots. It seems like it started to fire up. Then we ran into another fisherman up that way. So we're gonna turn around. This is the entrance where we came in earlier. So we're gonna get on up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, hit that like button. If you've not subscribed to our channel yet, hit that subscribe button. We would love for you to follow us along on all of these adventures, whether it be hunting, fishing, or whatever that may be. These guys are just swimming at this point. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you next time.